Hello guys and welcome to today's video. So I decided to do a voiceover. As you can tell, I'm excited. So I'm just going to apply some of my NARS foundation in New Caledonia and followed by my LA Pro Girl concealer, and I'm just blending it out under the eyes, on the forehead, on the chin. Then I'm taking my NARS concealer, the soft cream matte in a Monday, and I'm just adding another layer, so this one's slightly brighter. And I'm taking my just a deeper foundation just to add a bit more warmth and shape to the face. I wanted a bit more of a brighter highlight, so I went with a brighter colour, and I'm just setting that with the Huda Beauty powder in Kunafata, using my MAC mineralized powder, just using that to set all over the face, and using my Anastasia bronzer in Mahogany just to add just a set where I put the contour. Again, using the same LA Pro Girl concealer, I'm just using that to mute out the eyes, and I'm taking the Jackie Aina palette and I'm taking the pink just as a transition colour, followed by the purple, and I'm blending that using my Morphe 501 brush, using my glitter glue from NYX, just putting that first before I put in this stunning purple colour. As you can see, it's so pretty. And I'm just layering that on. So I'm taking a deeper purple, which is in the Anastasia Novena palette, just to add a bit more contour. And I'm just blending that out. Putting in my brows, I'm using the same soft matte concealer from NARS just to blend out under the eyes. I'm using a black eyeliner to give the eyes a bit more definition and shape. Then I'm taking the purple from the Jackie Aina palette and just blending that under the eyes. I'm taking Trust Issues and putting that in the inner corner. My Fenty bronzer, Mocha Mummy, I'm just using that as a deeper bronzer and using a brighter facial powder. Now I'm using my highlighter just to add a bit more of a subtle glow to this face. Applying mascara, lashes, like magic. Then I'm taking Chestnut by MAC just to line the lips, and I'm taking just a nude lipstick. I forgot the name, but this is Kiko lip gloss, the 3D lip glosses, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as you know, new videos comes out every Wednesday. Take care guys, bye.